Okay, welcome to my first stream. If you want to understand the stream, read the description. Confused, read Hi, Mr. Fraser. Welcome to Actually, let's just do Python. I don't actually want. Somebody here, read the description, and you will know what the stream is about. Let's say this command is for searching for packages in Nix. So we're going to look for a Python package, and we want its description. I'm just going to come up with a bunch of errors now, so I'm just going to pop back over here. So everything really in computing, at least everything's a derivation. And Nix uses the word derivation a lot. And it's a bit confusing when hackers or programmers do this. They'll just use a word a lot, and we don't really know what it means, and it's difficult to contextualize. But everything is a derivation. Anyway, let's see. There's Python and Python 2. What's going on? Alright, So we don't like that, right? So what went wrong? We searched for Python. Let's specify Python 3. What's that comes back with? I'm trying to figure out if anyone knows packages, because I'm going to have the packages up here. So it's let, like going to be like let packages equal this in, and then this is the derivation, I guess. So we kind of specify more down here. I went through like Nix-learn or learn Nix. And when I was going through Nix-learn or learn Nix, it basically said that I don't remember, because it's like, unless you're just focusing on Nix, I'm learning other stuff. So let's see what we got here. All right, Python. We got all these different packages that we could download and have a Python thing that people have already packaged. And so let's use one. Which one do we want? We got Python full, all these things. I could get more information to see. No, okay. Let's just do Python 3. Let's just do this. We're gonna do this one. So we're gonna steal that. And then we're gonna do. Let's just see if it works first. Oh, it's not gonna work. Let's see. Let's see if that works now. Yeah. It wants this. So let's do this. Fail a clock. I'm using a different keyboard right now, so it's like a little there's like, you know, it's a little uncomfortable. I should use my other one. Let's see if this does. Let's see if this works. So now we'll have we have a default Nix file, which should allow us to have a shell. Let's go. It's so brain dead. It's hard to like pay attention to the chat. I have a weird setup right here, so it's first try setup. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it doesn't like my syntax. Packages equals full. Let's use the actual documentation. Next documentation default.nix. Everything is so small. I do plan on upgrading the setup at some point if we're going to keep doing these streams, which I would let in. Software. Let's see. Let's go search default.nix. To do a shell.nix file. Yeah, okay. Alright, we'll just do that. I'll forget about this. We're gonna copy this, yeah. Forget that. And the code we found online. getting them right now. It's weird. So copies there. Wow. So we have open 3, 1, 3, 4. Yeah. Make sure we have samples right here. Okay, so well, we're in the Nix-shell now. Great. So many different things to do with Nix. Like, there's Nix REPLs, you know, like it's experienced coders love it. I'm not an experienced coder. I'm kind of a newbie coder. So, but I did recognize with this when I was trying to get things done, and I was just like, oh yeah, Nix is the way. So, we are in a shell now. We're in a shell, and we have what we've got. Let's say, yeah, okay. So we are in a shell, we have Python 3. Now we're in Python 3 and back. So, you know, great. What's there? I think I'm going to pivot because I kind of get shells. I don't really want to learn. There's this syntax over here, you know? Like, I just learned, okay, it goes down there. That's where the package goes. And this is where it pulls from. For this, you know? But it's just so boring. So I kind of want to understand some other basic Nix stuff, like, I want to understand REPLs. Because I always, you know, it's you learn this stuff and then you forget it. So let's search for REPL. Nix.dev. Nix.dev. Yeah, that's some useful stuff though. What's this one? There's just one bit. This is just trouble for evaluating mixed expressions. It's like a sandbox. It's like a play company, which is weird because ephemeral shells are also like that. Like the shell.nix is also like that, I think. Let's see what's going on if we want to roll back. Switch to a previous Nix-channel before rebuilding. See how to upgrade, downgrade. How to downgrade XOS. This is like, people, like, developers would be like, this is atomics for what, like, I'm just, like, what are you talking about, dude? I know. It makes sense, the language, but it's just like, sometimes it's silly. How to downgrade. Nix-OS version. So I tried to upgrade it, and now when I rebuild Switch, it just destroys itself. Like, the computer just won't boot, and then it didn't boot for a minute when I tried to rebuild Switch. So I have to, what's up? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, just checking chat. I have to figure out how to rebuild Switch and not destroy the operating system. So how to switch Nix-channel in order to not. I guess it's a Nix-channel backwards. Everything's good. Streaming is weird, man, because I'm thinking about like the streaming and like what's gonna be valuable for you guys, which is so weird. It's not like what we would normally learn. So Nix-channel plus two factors. Nix-channel L. I know. It's always this thing. Alright, so I'm on .11. I kind of want to see if we'll rebuild Switch now. Let's see. I think we're going to kill the computer here because it's going to pull too much power. We are on we're just all this is testing the Mac A 1502, which is a Mac from 2015 again. So let's see. Yes. I'm going to watch it. We are going to, if the computer dies, we know the Switch failed. If it doesn't, we might have some new packages here. I'm not sure if I want to, let's see. Oh, let's not do that. Like, message delay is so... message delay. Let's do that. Let's just do... look at rebuild switch, that'd be cool. Check that. Okay. Cool. Alright, it's gonna die for. Ooh! Network connection disconnected. Okay. Is it? Yeah. How did it work? Wow, I think it worked. This has not been working for me, so that's cool. What do I want to do? There's so many things that I want to do. Anything I could do. Let's get a configuration file. I'm trying to segment this now, so let's see. Let's go to that is a very weird response. Let's try this. All too short. That's weird. Parallel loading shared libraries. Oh yeah. Let's see. Nix-shell. Alright. I think I'm extra stupid on stream. Thinking about one more thing. I'm thinking about. Yeah, this kind of makes sense. That's what I figured. Should we just try that? Should we vibe code it, Mon? Should we just try? Like what? What's the A flag? Oh. What is so this, like, I'm like so brain dead from coding stuff, So like I'm definitely not at best, I figured, but I felt like doing something different, so I was like, I'm gonna stream. Option is used with Nix-build command, not directly with Nixos-rebuild. It's difficult to attribute to the other things. So within the Nix expression. Okay, so it's really, I think it's about just building a specific. It's just building this package. Let's see if that works. Let's see if we can just build one package rather than doing a whole Nix-rebuild switch. Yeah. So this is so can I do it in environment? Can I do that? That's the channel. And that's not what I'm on, that's what it's closing. Because what I'm on is 24.05 and it has been going to 24.11. So what I need to do is switch to channel 24.05. How to switch to a specific that works. I fully expect that I'm gonna like break the whole computer. Oh, you don't want 24 out of 9, no. That's cool. Let's try this out. Nix-channel list. Right now, it's not set. Funny like how inefficient. Just not watch it build. You want to see it build? Build it. I'm not watching it build. Yeah, it's funny. Doing it live because like I'm so inefficient right now. I've been on here 3 minutes. I don't know if I've done anything. Maybe lightly, but like it's so inefficient. Like it is going live is sort of a forcing function in that like you just do stuff. Like I had a meeting and I didn't know how to do this thing and I was like crap, and I wasn't ready for the meeting. So I was like, can y'all give me a minute? And it's just one person. I was like, there's a meeting and I gotta figure this out first, get it working. And the meeting just like forced me to learn really quick. So it's weird in coding when you just want to do your own thing, or versus when you're like, I'm gonna give myself a forcing function. It changes learning process. I'm just messing with settings right now. I guess I start a poll, start a Q&A. Let's see. I make the poll. Maybe just do a poll for the whole screen. Be like, let's see. Start a poll. comment. That's me. You comment. Tell me what you want to see. Alright, let's see if it's... Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see what wasn't working. This wasn't working. Let's see. Too short. Well, crap. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna restart the system and see how that goes. I can take that one. Break everything. It's weird because usually the cool thing about this is you can rebuild your system and then just use it without even restarting sometimes. Or like you don't, I guess that's not true. Wow, I can't. My things aren't working. That's fine. You know stuff. It's the most recent one. It's definitely different. Let's see if it fails. Graphical interface. Well, I feel like this is not going to work. It's just trapped here. It's not continue. Different thing. reboot to a different version. In a weird way, time goes fast in streaming. I was like, how do these people do it? Like, I recommend stream speaks, but like the Prime Vision or George Hawks or Scully, they'll have these 5-6 hour streams. I guess it's not that big a deal. We're getting the same thing. Just boot into the previous thing. This is what's great about Nix. Is if I mess something up, you just boot into the previous one. See if this one works. I'm blinking on and off because that's not it. Let's see where we're at here. We're going back and forth between them. Alright, so I have 2 channels. That's odd. Can I remove a channel? Do I want to remove it? Which channel do I build into? Which channel do I build from? Breaks channel list, which makes me feel like it's still trying to do 24.11. Which is why it's not working, because I want to rebuild into 24.05. How to rebuild. Such bad searching. Not a good prompt. How to rebuild. Let's see. I couldn't really answer my question. This part was kind of shooting in the dark here, which is like always when you're listening to LLM's suggestions. That makes sense. Why don't we just do what it calls us to do? Manage channels. The new first. Rollback. Ooh, let's do that. Nix-channel rollback. I'm not sure though. That's a good rule of thumb. Always just do the things. No profile version or than the current one exists. Failed because 0 1. That's the word I was looking for earlier. This seems a little dangerous, which makes me want to do it. Because, like, you know, sometimes you just gotta break stuff. You gotta have something you break. So yeah, we might want to do something else. Remove the connection. Because update rollback. Okay, if I delete any of that, what? It's like, I know seeing past so many things right now. Like, I have these smart thoughts and then I just keep going. Let's try that. Let's try. Let's try. Let us try to add the one that we are on. Will that work? But it doesn't pop up there. Maybe I need to reboot. No. version. That's what I call this. I think this is gonna work. We're thinking of the whole URL. That doesn't tell me anything. What does that tell me? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Oh, that's better. Maybe I should remove these channels. Which channels can I remove? Which Nix channels can I remove? Alright, I'm just gonna reboot again. Because I don't even have that other channel listed. Sometimes we gotta reboot. It's getting farther. But it's things are failing. It is moving. Weird, I didn't start that through. Okay, this now. So when I was searching something earlier, it was basically like sometimes it has trouble booting because it's like one thing is the let's see. wifey. Right, so like when you install, there's like, when you install a new distribution, you need to configure your UEFI. Oh, snap. What were we doing? We need help. Hi, training at the UI for this. Fix everything around. How does this work? Nope. Okay, so choose one instance like that. So that's what we're looking for. None of them are that, are they? We don't see that here. Two 18 o'clock. I see 18 here, I see 18.5. Let's get two before. Like, this is nude stuff, maybe on mine, right? Like, how does it work? Darling, 18. Search it. what is the channel URL for 218? Now I want to do that thing, but I think we can just go over it. The ghosts, yeah. It's just cool if there's a command. What's this other business? What's next? Rebooting. Switch to the channel of the current contrast version I'm using. We'll just add anything. Oh, sure, that's a channel. Interesting. What a mess that is. So, yeah. That's something. Let's see. We can do GitHub then. Let's see if that's right. Deprecated. Such like it's just so frustrating. Oh. I need to specify the commit hash. Yeah. So my version of it, right, it's everything's built on a specific hash. But I don't know the hash. I do wonder if it says it in my configuration file. Okay, I'm going to work again for whatever reason. I kind of just want to see, I mean the channel's right, the version's right. Let's see. We're going to just go to my configuration file, hopefully there's nothing. Jeez. Alright, we'll get to the bottom. The bottom, and it will say 24.05, and that's what I don't understand. System state version. Do not change this file unless you manually express all changes it would take to migrate your data accordingly. Right, so I think when I rebuild Switch, I think part of the problem is that I'm going to this one. So I'm kind of wondering, if I go back far enough, I don't think my configuration, not the configuration file I'm using, I'm pretty positive. But we're going to test just to see. So, because if I'm wrong, that's potentially 6. Reboot down. So, if it was garbage collected, which, I don't know, maybe it was garbage collected. Generation 1. Yeah, how's the next garbage gonna work, y'all? I'll let you boy. See all this twin that's happening? It's like, just blinks the screen off and stuff. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. This was before... Yeah, this was... Okay, this was before I had a GUI. A GUI, I guess, as the kids say. Yeah. I'm not shocked at this. This is not gonna work. And it's not gonna work because this user doesn't exist yet. So... Help me. You should probably do this now. Oh. How long did it take me? Oh, dude, I love it. This is just like doing this stuff the hard way. Doing it hard and slow. Did I have a GUI version 2 team? What do you think? What do you think? What's it done at? I think I did, but I bet you I have no account yet. It's like the way that you build this stuff, you can build it in order, right? So, let's see if I can use a restart button. Ha! It's cool, man. It's cool. Another cool thing about Nix, you can see what you were like, just how you built it. What was the story for how you built it? The fourth one. The fourth one. It's funny, like, I don't actually want this computer. Well, yeah, I don't want this computer. It's fun to just have a machine that you can just slap without really having to think about it. How long does someone... I bet it's just the third one. I bet I'm doing this the long way. Like... What was that? That was 4? 4th from the bottom? Whoa. Well, if it's not this one... What is it? I think that's what's weird. It's like, when it first pops up there, you see it's building 24 point something. It's building Hikari. I think that was the last one. Sloppiness made me have to give them. I want to solve this problem this way. Well, that's no fun. I want the password to work. Might be getting tired. The password incorrect. Huh. I don't think it is. Did I change my password in between mixes? That is possible. So this is making me think that like I could go to this version, I could log in as root. And then I could change the thing, which I don't know if I want to do right now. It's good to know. Master transferred. Okay. What are we doing for next time? we are going to, if I don't do it on my own, we are going to log in as root and make sure all the Nix channels are to the Nix channel that I want to use on this computer. And what's confusing is that when it's booting up, I think it says 20 or something. It's like Ukari, whatever the code name is for this Nix version. But when I channel thing, it's like I'm on 2.18 point something or whatever. So I need to make sure that when I rebuild switch, that my channel is the one that's working, that works, which will be the one that I'm using, I would assume. In order to find that out, I can use Nix-channel space dash help. Yeah, we did the ephemeral stuff really early this time, but yeah, let me know if y'all want to see something else, because obviously this was a lot of failure, which, you know, normally I don't do stuff this way. Normally I would just try something and then leave it alone and then come back to it. But it, you know, it kind of depends on like what you're trying to get done and how quickly you want to get them. But yeah, this isn't like a learning method that I would do on my own. It just, you know, it just kind of turned that way because we're here streaming for the first time and I wanted to see what that was going to be like. So it's funny, now it just won't let me log in, period. Which, what? Did I run down? I'm gonna try it one more time. At this point I'm wondering something. I have to do things here. No, this is not good. I really don't like it.